Good. Finally, let's talk about Adcock Ingram, which is South Africa's second largest drug maker originally. It's got loads and loads of well-established South African brands like Panado and BioPlus and that sort of stuff. 34.6% held by Bidvest as a result of a bit of a corporate takeover war a few years ago. Bidvest, I'm not quite sure what it intends with that stake, but it is in recovery mode after some difficult operational problems. It's focused and it's doing a lot better than it was before. Market capitalization is 10.5 billion rand, price to earnings ratio 21.75, dividend yield 1.95. Let's go straight to the share chart, because over 5 years you'll see it looks a little bit sloppy, but it is moving higher in recent times. Yeah.
So Adcock, I think there's no secret that they went through a tough time, but I think Bidvest came in and refocused the group. So they tried expanding into India, that didn't work. So they've sold their Indian operations. They're refocusing in their African operations. They've just acquired a logistics company as well to bolster their logistic arm. So I think they're refocusing nicely. The South African market and African market has done really well for them. So I think the management, the change of management has seen the turnaround that it's
So they tidied up. They just kind of consolidated production, stopped doing dumb stuff, sold things that weren't working, shut down, said no, you must produce that thing here, tidied up, and that alone was good for a 30-40% share price recovery, albeit from fairly depressed and sort of confused levels.
Yeah, so it's done well.
But you reckon it can still keep going? I mean, it's got great brands, sales will be strong.
I was about to say that the brands that they have been there in the South African market for quite some time now, and they've proved themselves. I mean, their consumer over-the-counter stuff has been growing at double-digit growth, whereas the whole market has only been registering single-digit growth. So it's quite good for the company.
Okay, so again, one of the ones you'd say is hot and a good recovery and turnaround story. And maybe at some point, Bidvest will either sell that stake to another strategic player in the industry, or it might elect to buy out the minorities or something, but it isn't necessarily an overhang concern for you. They're a good, solid, long-term shareholder.
No, I think they came in and I mean, Bidvest on its own has done really well. So we know that the expertise that they come with has been beneficial for Adcock.
Good, so hot on that as well.